All right, welcome to the Asana tutorial for print production. First, we're going to start by introducing you to the three different panels. First, we have the project panel. If you have more than one workspace, you click here. You have settings for your project panel. You can collapse your project panel. We also have a task panel here in the middle, and then the subtask panel, which we'll talk about all of these a little bit later. Next to your picture, you have My Tasks and your Inbox. Both will show you different groups of information that are ready. The My Task will show you any tasks that are outstanding. We have also the people who are members of our group, David, JT, and myself. We also have the team calendar, which currently isn't being used on any of the books I do. We also have our general information board, and then we have our board from last issue, our project. So first thing we're going to do is archive last issue. Second thing is going to start a new project, and we move over to our task panel. Type in the new issue book number, issue volume book number, and we're going to add David, who is the book owner. We're going to add JT, who is my other designer. I'm already in there. So now we're going to add the first page or task. So we're going to call this a demo page, and I'm going to mistype it, and then I'm going to correct it and mistype it again, and then I'll correct it again later in the production. So we also have here our description. So our description for this is going to be the last time the page ran, what the page number is. Very important that this is the only information that goes here unless you're running a new ad. So we also have a subtask. This is a checkable item. This is a list of things that you give me that I can check off. We're going to give a heading here for header changes to last issue's page. So I put a colon after that, and it turns into a heading instead of a checkable item. So we're going to add a couple things here. First thing we're going to do is change the phone number. Then we're going to add the web address. Let's do that. And then we'll give the web address some ridiculous name, buy my house, or make me lots of money, or feed my kids.com. And then another one. We can add another section if we want to, keep things grouped together nicely. This isn't necessary, but it is nice if you have a group of changes to let me know what they are, group them together. So there's lots of different ways we can use this. One of the main important things is that I need to work well a checkable list. Another important thing is to assign the task to a person. So you notice there I clicked on it didn't have a picture, but now it does. Then I can come in here and go, oh, look, I did that. Then I can click here. There's three different ways that I can tell you that you forgot to give me the phone number. So I can just type it right here and say, apparently provide the number. I can click here and create another set of subtasks on that subtask and add that in there. And what I'll normally do is go back here and assign this specific project to whoever needs the task. So I assign that to David. And so he can go in and look and see the problem, or I can just go down in the comments and say, hey, you got to give me the number, and I've assigned the task to you, so you can just go in there, and now you can type in, here it is, I've got the number, and then assign that to me, since I haven't posted the proof yet, and assigned the whole page back to you. Now I can check that, check, I can type in here, done, and the ad's posted, and then I can assign it back to David so he can take a look at the page. So that's the basic anatomy of creating a page. So now to do another one, you go and just hit enter on the first one, and it'll create a new one. And we're going to do demo page 2. This is how you would do an exact repeat. You would type exact repeat, and then give me the page number that it ran last time. Then you're going to go ahead and assign it to me. So this is a page that repeats every issue. We're going to assign it to me. Wow, there we go. So we've got lots of options here. I'll always type right down here in the comments section that I'm done, and then I will reassign it to you. So comments, it's pretty important that comments are just for discussing the ad. Any action items need to go up in the subtasks where I can check them. Okay, so I'm adding another one. Now here we have just corrections. I've posted the ad, you've looked it over, the client's looked it over, and they've got ads. They've got corrections on the ad. So we'll just type them in here. And I'm going to attach, I'm going to show you how to attach the logo. So I'm going to go to my desktop, grab a logo from a completely different book, and drop it in there. Piece of cake. I can just drag and drop images in there. And then David's going to assign that back to me. And here we go. So if I click here, it's going to open that image up in a new page. I can drag and drop that image into the folder where it needs to go. And I close this page, and here I am. Check. Done. Logo changed. And I spelled it wrong. Changed. Click OK. Ads reposted. Good job, Lincoln. Click OK. Assign it back to David. He knows it's ready for him to look at and send back to the client again. So that's it. That's Asana in a nutshell. How to use it, how to make comments, how to post pages. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You can always see what's been done by the little check marks, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.